Hello all, good day to everyone. I am glad to be part of Every America Chatbot and Conversational AI Conference 2022. And thanks all of you joining us. I am Bhavin Haldi. Currently I am working as a senior software engineer at Hexagon Technologies Limited. A warm welcome to all of you in session on Conversational AI in Metaverse. Before starting the session, I would like to inform that if anybody has any question, please feel free to write in Q&A box. I'll answer all of your questions. All right. Okay, so let's start with this session. First of all, I'll give you a little bit context about what I'll cover today. So first is what is metaverse, what is conversational AI, how conversational AI plays important role in metaverse, some of the use cases in metaverse for conversational AI, and some opportunity as well as some challenges. So let's first start with the what is metaverse. So metaverse is digital virtual world behind the physical world. It combines the technologies like artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, and blockchain technology. Nowadays, metaverse is trending topic. The metaverse is next evolution of digital world interaction. Recently, many of the companies started adopting due to immense benefit as well as opportunity. In metaverse, AI can be utilized for digital avatars comparison, content analysis, and speech recognition like Chatbot or the Voicebot. So this is a little bit about the metaverse. Now we'll move towards the what is conversational AI. So as all of us know, conversational AI is a subset of AI environment that facilitates the user to interact with computer software and applications similar to the human interaction or human-like communication. In simple words, it's a voice assistant or AI-powered chatbot that builds communication link between humans and computers by using the speech or the text. So nowadays we can say we already using this conversational AI a lot by using the various common e-commerce website, banking website, and this all stuff, as well as the some voice digital assistants. So this is all about the conversational AI, or like what is conversational AI actually. Now we move next towards, and this is very important uh, in terms of why conversational AI is important for metaverse. So conversational AI can play important role in digital wayfinding inside a metaverse cluster. According to the analysis report of Gartner, it is predicted that by 2026, nearly 25% of people will invest at least an hour in metaverse environment to do little work, education, shopping, entertainment, as well as the social interaction. With it wide full of growth opportunity, Metaverse leverage support for customer interaction channels that runs within organization or the firms. If we are go by this speculation, then customer service is likely to emerge as a virtual first solution. And surprisingly, if this is happen, then conversational AI will high in demand across the globe. This is because of technology connects natural language processing with a traditional software solution like chatbot, voicebot, digital assistants, or other interactive tools used by the various companies. One another report suggested that research and uh, speech and voice recognition industry is speculated to rise to approximate $22 million, $22 million by 2026 because of the wide-scale adoption by the enterprise. This paves the way for the growth of conversational AI as well. People are placing their big bets on metaverse as they see technology as a 4M concept. Whenever I say the 4M, it means multilingual, multicultural, multi-bidirectional, multidimensional, and multidirectional. It's like 4M: multilingual, multicultural, multidirectional, as well as multidimensional. And the voice first virtual cluster with a lot of growth potential. Conversational AI is a perfect communication link between the avatars and the business entity within the metaverse area. Industrial realms such as hospitality and banking have become the first promoter of conversational AI as a tool for customer service. This is likely grow very soon in coming years. The robot toolset of conversational AI helps to create more sophisticated, user-friendly, and interactive virtual characters, offering immersive experience inside the metaverse. The digital avatars are likely to be put to plethora of users by firms to enhance the customer support system. Yeah, so this is how metaverse play an important role. Conventional AI play an important role in metaverse. And next, we'll take the use cases of conversational AI in Metaverse. So here we'll see the how conversational AI can actually play an important role by using their technology and by using their actual potential for the enhancement of the user experience of the customer experience. So all these use cases require at least interaction or communication, and that's where conversational AI plays an important role for the metaverse. The first is the digital avatar. So digital avatar is nothing but visual illustration of any person in games or the virtual world, or we can say in the metaverse. Conversational AI will bring it to life by powering human-like avatars, as well as by humanizing artificial objects, enabling meaningful and natural conversation in multiple modalities. Virtual digital human is 3D version of Chatbot in Metaverse. They can use speech and body language to represent human-like interaction. They are built by using AI algorithm and it has crucial role in construction of Metaverse. It is important to note that digital humans are working with the digital version of people, but AI-based characters similar to the video games or the virtual world. They respond as per your action of Metaverse. They have language processing, multilingual accessibility. People can leverage AI to interact with digital avatar in Metaverse. AI translate languages like English or any another language like French, Chinese, uh, this all as well as the some regional language to the any other language to the machine learning language and analyze. So NLP algorithm will analyze it is actually after analysis of NLP algorithm produce the response back to the user's actual language. And currently various API is also available to translate the multiple languages as per user's choice. So this is the first use case like digital avatars and digital humans. The second is the user experience in virtual environment. So one might find themselves blocked inside the metaverse in the virtual world setting to the first time. This could be an amusement park or a shopping mall. This is where digital human can help to the real human to sail through the complexity of metaverse. They can guide people in virtual environment and to serve as a friend by using their enhanced potential of conversational AI by using text or the voice to process of the ticketing, snack selection of the various brand and this all stuff. The next use cases is products demonstration or the shoppings. The brands can interact with audience worldwide despite any geographical barriers in e-commerce business framework. And that's why uh, many e-commerce as well as the clothing brands currently started their virtual shops inside the metaverse. They can use them to guide customer in online shopping, resolve user query, or help them use service. Conversational AI facilitates making this machine-oriented service more effective and more immersive. And the last but not least, the use case is very, very important to banking and investing. So the metaverse will have on digital wallets and that regulates the seamless transaction across the blockchain ecosystem. Uh, Currently, Singapore Millennium Hotels and Resorts recently invited the online avatars, the first ever hotel in metaverse. For the banking side, South Asia's largest bank is exploring new ways to provide the banking service in the virtual world. So, like this way, the metaverse technology offers a digital and virtual version of the real world, where users can experience things that are quite difficult, expensive, and impossible to experience in the real setting, or we can say the real world. The technology helps brand to provide high-class service to their customer, which is not possible with the real-world tools, and or either it can be very costly. So customer support is said to be become essential part of metaverse, and so it is essential for the firms to start exploring potential of conversational AI in these regards. And last but not least, now it's time for the conclusion. So with metaverse thriving as one of the most interesting space for exploration, it is likely to expand further very soon. The technology will grow multidimensional as I said before, and so will require a variety of protocols under this segment. Customer support will emerge as one of the topmost priority for metaverse expansion. This is where the conventional AI will help to make metaverse accessible to every person without any hurdles or the issue. A good conventional AI-empowered customer service system will link brands with their target users, easily providing with them high-end service around the clock. And so this is all about importance of conversational AI in metaverse. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. So if you have any question, you can write into your notes, so I'll quickly answer. Thanks a lot.